Hey guys, I'm Jade. Today is my LeetCode review vlog on the 392nd problem. It's subsequence. We are given two strings s and t. We have to return true if s is a subsequence of t, or false otherwise. A subsequence is a new string that is formed from original string by deleting some of the characters without disturbing the relative positions of the remaining characters. For example, ABC is a subsequence of AHB GTC, as we can find ABC inside the T string by order, so our output is true. And for another example, AXC is not a subsequence of AHB GTC, as we can find X in the T string, so our output is false. And then let's get started with the intuition first. So our straightforward intuition is we can create two pointers to traverse the T and S string, and we'll ensure that every character in S must appear in T in the same order. And if so, we just return true. Otherwise, we just return false. So we can have two pointers to traverse the string S and T string, and we just ensure that each character in S appears. Ensure each character in S appears in T and in the same order. And then let's get started with our code now. First, we can create two variables. Let's say index S and started at 0, and index T started at 02. And then we can have a while loop, and we ought to check if index S and index T is less than T dot length. If so, we'll continue the while loop. While index S is less than S dot length and index T is less than S T dot length. And inside the while loop, the first step we're gonna do is we wanted to check the character at the position of S and the character at the position of T, whether they are equal or not. So our code is if S dot character at index S it is equal or not to T dot character at index T. If the condition is true, we just increment S, which means the current character can be found in the T string T. So we will move the S pointer to the next position to check for the next character. And we will always move the pointer of index T to the next position because we want to traverse all the characters in T. And the code is index T plus plus always move the pointer index T to the next position. And out of the while loop, we can check if the value of index S is equal to S dot length. If they are equal, which means we traverse all the characters in string by order, and S is a subsequence of T. So our code is we just check if index S is equal to S dot length. If the condition is true, which means S is a subsequence of T, and or false otherwise. And then let's check our code if it is got accepted. And our time complexity for this problem is big O of n, and n stands for the length of T, as we only traverse one time for the string T, and the space complexity is big O of 1. This is because we just create several variables to help to solve the problem, and it is not related to the length of t. And this is the end of my LeetCode review vlog on the is subsequence problem. You can also check for the detailed notes on my GitHub repository here, and I'll put the link on my YouTube description below. You can see more detailed intuition, approach, and complexity here. And thank you guys for watching. See you next time.